Hey guys, Foxbody Shoe 5.0 coming back here with you with an update video. So it's not going to be a very long video, but just an update video on the process of the Mustang. Okay, so I recently went ahead from my buddy that's the painter at the local body shop where I'm getting the Mustang fixed at. I'm not going to give away the name just yet because when I go to pick it up, I'm going to do a short interview with the owner, and I'm going to do a short interview with the painter that went ahead and worked on the Mustang and did everything with it, because they're going to give you a little bit of insight on the process of installing the Stalker bumper, front bumper cover from Cervini's. I love it. I've always loved the look of it. Man, the picture he sent me, again, it's not 100% complete just yet, but the pictures that he sent me are awesome, and I can't wait to go ahead and see it all put back together and looking great and getting ready to run down the road and come back and bring it home. But they did go ahead and run into a few issues on it, but I do want to go ahead and give you an update that is going to be coming real shortly here, and the Mustang is going to be coming home, and I've got a little bit of work to do to go ahead and clear a spot where the Mustang has been sitting. We've done a little bit of work, repairing the porch out front, and of course, this is getting ready to go bye-bye and be sent back, as you guys know from the previous video, and I just got to get my tools and different things put back in the corner there and stacked away, so that way the Mustang can pull up here and go back to where it needs to be. So again, this is a real short update, but I'm going to go ahead and leave you some videos, some photos right now that my buddy sent you, and you can see those coming up right now. I'm going to actually, again, I'm so excited, man, to go ahead and see this all back together. I just can't wait. I'm going to be scared to death to drive it, to tell you the truth. It looks so beautiful by those photos, and hopefully you guys agree. Leave comments for me down below. And again, next video, guys, that will be coming up is going to be one of the reveal, the full reveal, and me getting the car back and bringing the Mustang, the Foxbody home, man. So can't wait. Again, leave comments down below, share, subscribe, go ahead and hit that bell so you can go ahead and get the latest and greatest videos from me. And again, comments below on those photos, guys. I'll be looking forward to it and talking with you guys on it. Okay, thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you guys again real soon. This has been Foxbody Shoe 5.0. See you guys.